Hey there, and welcome back to Architectural Harvest.
I am Hatice, one of the lead architects on this channel. We have received some lovely messages from you all, suggesting that we narrate our videos with our own voices. So today, we are giving it a try, and we hope you enjoy this personal touch. Since English isn't our first language, we will be adding subtitles for your convenience. We apologize in advance for any mispronunciations. Please bear with us. Now, let's dive into a trend that's taking the design world by storm: color drenching. Whether you are a design enthusiast or just looking to refresh your space, this trend offers a bold and cohesive look that's sure to impress. Let's be honest, I love a soothing color palette, but sometimes you just need some color. If you are wary of blending into the beige backgrounds of life and aspire to stand out within the cozy confines of your four walls, at least, this home decor trend is for you. Fear not, because color drenching is here to rescue you from mediocrity. Color drenching is a stylish home decor technique that involves covering a room with a single paint color to create a bold, intensely pigmented space. It's about immersing yourself in color from floor to ceiling and everything in between. This technique reduces visual noise and can even make small pieces feel bigger and more unified. It's a fun way of giving your home a character overhaul and can transform a room from ordinary to extraordinary, elevating your mood and the aesthetic of your space. Let's talk benefits. Color drenching adds personality and depth to a space, making it uniquely yours. It creates visual interests and impact, ensuring your home is anything but boring. Plus, it's a budget-friendly way to refresh your home. Just a couple of cans of paint can achieve an incredible transformation. Now, what are the best colors for color drenching? While there is no strict rule, your space should reflect your personal taste. Certain shades stand out for their versatility and impact. Blues offer a calming oasis, while pinks add whimsy and tranquility. Yellow brings cheernesses, perfect for smaller space. If you are feeling bold, reds or burgundy evoke a sense of old world charm. And don't overlook black. It can create a cozy yet chic atmosphere. Green with its rich connection to nature, and white, the ultimate clean slate, are also fantastic choices. Which rooms are best for the color drenching? Living rooms, bedrooms, home offices, bathrooms, dining rooms, and hallways all lend themselves well to this technique. In living rooms, a drenched space becomes an instant conversation starter. Bedrooms become personal retreats. Home offices can be painted in calming colors like blue or green to boost productivity. Bathrooms, intimate by nature, are ideal for bold color experiments. Dining rooms can set the stage for memorable meals, and hallways can transform into colorful journeys. So, how do you master the art of color drenching? Start with choosing a cohesive color palette that includes your primary drench color and complementary tones. Determine a focal point to highlight a particular area. Don't skip the swatching step. Test your colors in different lights and on different surfaces. Once you have chosen your color, apply it meticulously, layering multiple coats if necessary. Finish by adding neutral tones and complementary accents to balance the room. And here are some suggestions for you. Color drenching can make a room look bigger by creating a seamless, cohesive space. While it's similar to monochromatic design, color drenching focuses on saturating a room with a single bold hue. This technique has been popular worldwide and is definitely here to stay. You can even use wallpaper for added texture and dimension. When it comes to paint sheen, it's your call. High gloss for drama or matte for a more subdued vibe. As you venture forth into the world of the color drenching, remember, rules are made to be broken. This is your home, your sanctuary, your personal art gallery. Let your imagination run wild and your walls be the canvas of your creative dreams. So, grab that paint roller, put on some tunes, and let the color drenching begin. Don't be afraid to play with color, experiment, and push the boundaries of your comfort zone. After all, at the end of the day, it's only paint. Have fun with it. Here is to a home that's as vibrant and unique as you are. Happy drenching, friends! See you in the next video. Bye bye!